Surround yourself with people who make you happy, people who make you laugh. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Think of all the beauty still left around you. Be happy. Who help you when you are in need? People who genuinely care, they are the ones worth keeping in your life. Everyone else is just passing through. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. Just be yourself. Let people see the real, imperfect, flawed, quirky, weird, beautiful, and magical person that you are. If nobody dislikes you, you are probably not making it in life. Appreciation is an excellent thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. When you start visualizing good things, great things come into play. Never underestimate the power of positive visualization. You have to appreciate every single day that you are alive. Life is a little bit like a garden. You have to find time to plant the seeds for beautiful flowers to grow. The beauty of life is to be different. Set yourself apart from the crowd and flourish into the person you were meant to be. It's so freeing. It's beautiful in a way to have a great failure. There's now here to go but up. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. When you wake up, take a second to think what about a privilege it is to simply be alive and healthy. The moment you start acting like life is a blessing, I assure you it will start to feel like one. Life is beautiful, really it is full of beauty and illusions. Life is great, without it you be dead. Nature is a beautiful, breathtaking phenomenon that shows us all facts of life and what life can be: peaceful, beautiful, surprising, painful, etc. It is easy to be beautiful, it is difficult to appear, so I admire you, beloved, for the trap you are set. It's like a final chapter no one read because the plot is over. In all its beautiful, tragic fragility, there was still life. Everything has beauty, but not everyone see it. The life that has been given to us as a gift, as such a precious gift, to really try to understand it. To really try to recognize it is the greatest meditation. Through the media of this knowledge, we can tap into our inner source that are so beautiful.